Well, go on, traders. Yeah, the traders here again. So this is just a special request from one of the viewers for me to review. I call it Bingo, Bngo, Mara, and Riot. So, guys, I don't have good news for you. I mentioned in my comments to you that yeah, this was my baby. These were my babies back then. You know, but what I'm going to be looking at is just what's happening with the stock since recently. So as you can see on my screen here, the stock had run up early 2 years ago. I was in it. I rode it up, rode it all the way down. This level here at $5. So it went up. Oh, I forgot. For those persons who are maybe using their cell phones, you may not see the numbers on the screen, so I'm going to spell it out. So the stock ran up from 55 cents all the way up to $15.69. It came back down to a support level of $5, around $5. Tested the support, went back up to $9, came back down to the support. And I'm talking about Bngo now. Um, Came back down to the support. So I think at this time I'd gotten out. Yep. Because once it broke through the support here, guys, it just kept falling. Mid last year, it fell all the way down to $1.26. Mid last year, it popped back up a little bit to $4 something. I was hoping that it will, at least get some traction. But now it's back down to the low level. So let me draw a little line here. Well, I won't be looking back at this stock for now unless you guys say something to me for me to actually come back here. But it's now at a back to the old support level, the last support level of $1.28, and it's hovering around there. As you can see, there is no volume that's coming in. The volume has basically died out, so the blue line represents the volume. The volume has died out. So for stocks to move, you need volume to come in. So let me look at the RSI. The RSI just basically shows that the stock was oversold earlier last year. It has not gotten back to any overbought territory, which would be around this level. It has remained under the oversold level there. Okay, so usually it's between, once it goes to the overbought, it pops above 70 here, or if it's oversold, then it will go below the 30, this yellow line here. So it's kind of just hovering, not really popping back through the oversold territory for anyone to really look at buying. If I look at any news in terms of BNGO, um, I'm not seeing anything exciting there. So if you guys know something, you can let me know. But from what the stock is, how the stock looks right now, it doesn't look like there's much going to be happening. If I look at the options, oh, bad time of the market. So I'm not able to give you the options call because it's close to opening. So the call options would not be shown. It's all defaults to zero before the market opens. But I had to it and I looked at it yesterday and it was quite low. Maybe around 1,000 or less than 1,000 thereabouts. And the same for the other stocks. So let's take a look at Mara. So Mara, as you know, move with cryptocurrency. So as you can see, based on the trend line here for Mara moved from 50 cents all the way up to $83 late. This is 2021. and I was in it. Of course, I was in it. It was one of my better stock plays. But it has come all the way back down now. So it moves with the cryptocurrency. So until crypto moves, then you won't see Maro move. The same applies to Riot. So as you can see here, I was a very active trader with Riot. I was in it from it, popped up from $3 all the way to $79. And as you can see, I had my trend lines all drawn. Was hoping that if you see this diagonal trend line here, I was hoping that once it breaks through this year over year trend line, it will pop back up at around $6. So I had actually bought back in to Riot because it popped up a little bit at this level at $7.42, and I was hoping that the momentum would come in and push the Riot back up. But as I mentioned before, cryptocurrency is basically down. Bitcoin is down, Ethereum is down, so it's pulling down all its stocks. But I think once crypto starts doing better, these stocks actually move a lot faster than the actual crypto itself. All right, so I maybe I've not added much in terms of what you guys are looking for, but at least that's kind of my view on where these stocks are. If you guys want to keep an eye on it and let me know what's happening, you can hit me up later on at any time, and then I can take another look. All right, guys. Hopefully this was a little bit helpful. So until the next time, take care, guys.